Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2026 Xiaomi Motorhome is a new combination of consumer electronics know-how and the growing industry for recreational vehicles. This potential motorhome seeks to revolutionize mobile living by seamlessly fusing smart technology with cozy living quarters, leveraging Xiaomi's well-established expertise in technological integration and user-centric design. Clean lines and aerodynamic efficiency are expected to define the 2026 Xiaomi Motorhome's external design, which would be basic yet contemporary. Depending on the engine selected, the vehicle's form factor would probably prioritize both aesthetic appeal and optimal fuel usage or energy efficiency using lightweight yet durable materials. Safety and the vehicle's overall aesthetic would be improved by integrated lighting systems, which might even include adaptive LED technology. The Xiaomi Motorhome is internally intended to serve as a demonstration of the company's technological prowess. Using voice commands or a centralized digital interface that is seamlessly connected via Xiaomi's established ecosystem, smart home integration would be a key theme, enabling residents to control various aspects of their living space, such as lighting, climate control, entertainment systems, and security features. Navigation, entertainment, and vehicle status information would all be accessible through high-resolution displays integrated throughout the cabin. The design of the living area would prioritize both practicality and space. To make the best use of the limited space, modular furniture solutions that can be altered to meet various purposes would probably be used. While the bedroom arrangements would put comfort and convenience first, the culinary area would incorporate smart appliances that could be controlled from a central interface. Additionally, consideration would be given to effective storage options, preserving a clutter-free atmosphere. One of the Xiaomi Motorhome's most important features would be connectivity. With the help of integrated 5G or other future network technologies, high-speed internet access would make communication, streaming, and remote work possible. To improve safety and driving ease, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, that incorporate Xiaomi's sensor and AI innovations are probably going to be put into place. Although the 2026 Xiaomi Motorhome's engine is still up in the air, a hybrid or all-electric setup would be in line with current trends and Xiaomi's larger technology goals, especially in light of the global movement towards sustainable transportation. For both driving and onboard living, this would require a strong battery system and effective energy management to provide sufficient range and power. The 2026 Xiaomi Motorhome is essentially positioned to be more than simply a car. It is intended to be a mobile smart home that skillfully combines comfort, technology, and effective design to appeal to a new generation of tourists looking for an easy-to-access and connected leisure experience. Its success will depend on Xiaomi's capacity to transform its knowledge of consumer electronics into an attractive and useful automotive product, establishing a new standard for the technologically advanced motorhome.